There's something strangely satisfying about watching technology come together perfectly. A giant bridge assembled piece by piece. A robotic arm moving with millimeter precision. A 3D printer transforming a digital design into a real object layer by layer. These aren't just engineering projects, they're examples of human creativity, innovation, and precision at their absolute best. Today, we're exploring some of the most satisfying technology builds ever, and trust me, some of these incredible creations are almost impossible to stop watching. Let's dive in. Few technologies are as satisfying to watch as 3D printing. What starts as a digital design slowly transforms into a physical object right before your eyes. Layer by layer, line by line, every movement is precise. Today, 3D printers can create tools, medical devices, furniture, automotive parts, and even entire houses. The reason people love watching 3D printing is simple. You can literally see an idea becoming reality. It's one of the reasons 3D printing consistently appears in compilations of the most satisfying technology builds ever. But building small objects is impressive. Building giant structures is something else entirely. Imagine constructing a building hundreds of meters tall, thousands of workers, millions of components, years of planning, yet somehow everything fits together perfectly. Modern construction technology allows engineers to create structures that were impossible just a few decades ago. Watching giant steel sections lock together with perfect precision is incredibly satisfying. From skyscrapers to suspension bridges, these projects showcase engineering at its finest. And when viewed through time-lapse footage, the transformation becomes even more impressive. Speaking of precision, nothing compares to the machines that build other machines. Modern factories are masterpieces of automation. Rows of robotic arms work in perfect synchronization. Each movement is carefully programmed. Every action serves a purpose. A single production line can assemble vehicles, electronics, and industrial equipment with incredible speed and accuracy. What's fascinating is how effortlessly it appears. Complex engineering hidden behind smooth, satisfying movements. This is exactly why robotic factories are often featured among the most satisfying technology builds ever. Watching hundreds of components come together seamlessly never gets old. But robots aren't the only machines capable of astonishing precision. Let's look at another engineering marvel. CNC machines may not look exciting at first glance, but once you see them in action, it's hard to look away. These computer-controlled machines can cut, carve, and shape materials with incredible accuracy. A solid block of aluminum gradually becomes a perfectly engineered part. Every cut is calculated. Every movement is deliberate. Whether it's aerospace components, automotive parts, or custom prototypes, CNC technology represents some of the most satisfying manufacturing processes ever developed. The precision is almost unbelievable. And now let's move from factories to one of the most futuristic technologies ever created. Building a rocket is one of the most challenging engineering tasks in human history. Every component must perform flawlessly. The smallest mistake can have enormous consequences. Watching engineers assemble spacecraft is fascinating because every piece serves a critical role. Fuel systems, engines, navigation computers, structural components. Everything must fit together perfectly. These projects represent some of the most satisfying technology builds ever because they combine precision, innovation, and ambition on an extraordinary scale. If you're enjoying these incredible technology builds and want more videos exploring futuristic engineering, advanced gadgets, and groundbreaking innovations, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss what's coming next on Tech Neon. Not every satisfying technology build is massive. Some happen right inside people's homes. Smart home systems are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Lights, security cameras, voice assistants, climate controls, all working together seamlessly. Watching an entire smart home ecosystem come together is surprisingly satisfying. Every device connects. Every automation serves a purpose. The result is a living space that feels futuristic and efficient. Technology becomes almost invisible, and that's exactly the goal. Now let's look at one of the newest building technologies transforming entire industries. Artificial intelligence is changing how things are designed and built. Engineers can now use AI to optimize structures before construction even begins. AI helps identify better designs, stronger materials, more efficient layouts, reduced costs. Combined with automation and robotics, AI is accelerating innovation at an incredible pace. The future of engineering may involve humans and AI working together to create things that neither could build alone. This emerging field may soon produce the next generation of the most satisfying technology builds ever. Today we've explored incredible examples of precision engineering, from 3D printing and robotic factories to skyscrapers, rockets, smart homes, and AI-powered design systems. What makes these builds so satisfying isn't just how they look, it's what they represent: human ingenuity, problem-solving, and the relentless drive to create something better. But here's something even more fascinating. Some engineers are already working on technologies that could allow entire cities to be built using autonomous robots and AI-powered construction systems. Could future buildings construct themselves? Could robots become the world's primary builders? In our next video, we'll explore the astonishing future of automated construction and the technologies that may completely transform how the world is built. And some of these projects already exist. See you in the next one.